Yee-haw! Howdy, partner! Debs from Dream Hire is back. We make a cactus. Stay tuned. Hello, Greg from Balloon Market here, and welcome to BMTV. And as you can see, once again, Debs from Dream Hire is here.
You fed up with me?
Little bit. Anyway.
Shall I go? All right, we'll go after
let's finish the show.
Okay, let's
And then,
do it.
yes, please do.
Okay.
You've got a long journey ahead of you, haven't you?
That's all right.
You've come a long way. Anyway, so we are, as you just alluded to, doing a cactus.
We are. We're going to do a cactus today.
Do you want a cactus joke?
I don't know if I do. Go on.
Do you know what a cactus wears to a job interview?
What?
Cacti.
Now everyone feels
Oh my God! Well, I thought it was good. Anyway,
shall we move on to making a cactus?
What are we doing?
So we are going to use this telescopic oak tree stand.
Yep.
These are great because they go up to 2 meters. So you can literally use them for so many things.
Use them for little things, use them for big things.
Yeah, so today we're going to use the Gemar G-Links in olive, and I'm going to make quads. So these are all blown up in the centre to 5.5 inches.
Okay.
They're 6 inch, they go up to 6 inches. So just twisting into a quad and then popping this onto the stand, pushing that down around and down to secure it, and then we're going to do exactly the same size and alternate them all the way up.
Okay, I think we need to do that quicker. So I want to try a new thing. Okay, are you ready? I want a high five. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey, look at that!
Oh my God!
That worked quite well.
Yeah.
That worked
Can we
quite
high five more often?
You know, you've still got to do the work. You realise
man.
that? That's called visual effects. Anyway, there it is.
Yes.
How many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14, yes.
Okay.
And then we're going to just use one for the top.
Okay.
So just tie that in using the neck, and that's going to just have that rounded top.
Okay.
Awesome. So now we're going to make some of the arms coming out from the cactus. So I'm going to start with just a lot smaller ones. So these are 3 inches.
Okay.
And then I'm going to take some dacron line. So I'm actually going to weave these in. Could you hold that for me? Thank you very much.
I'm going to need scissors on.
Yes. So I'm actually going in, and I'm actually going to tie this off to the pole.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down.
Awesome. And then this is what I'm going to use to kind of weave. Do you want,
Okay. What do you want me to do?
I don't know.
I can just hold
you
it.
hold it.
I'll just
hold it. So here, because they're only 3 inches, they slot quite nicely into that crease. And then I'm going to go up and round one of these larger 5.5s, and then just pull that tight. And then I've got another one.
So these are all the same size, yeah?
These are all 3 inches, yes.
So how many clusters are you using for the
I
arm?
am going to see how I go.
Okay.
So again, I'm kind of just placing one quad on top of the other, and then wrapping the dacron line in a figure of 8 around the one that's underneath it to kind of weave them together. So if I go 4 out, that gives me enough distance from the main kind of body of the cactus. And it's great because these little prickly bits, they don't have to go in a certain direction. Like, it's just the texture that it gives you.
Yeah.
So I can get to the 4.
I don't think we've ever done a cactus on BMTV before. It's perfect, isn't it? For linking balloons.
The Wild West theme has definitely been a big one. I thought.
So did you did a Wild West party?
I did. It was epic.
You've told me about your parties before.
Yes,
you do one every year, don't you?
So
you're all invited.
So I've got 4 the same size, which is 3 inches, and then I've just made one quad with 2 larger ones, which are 4 inches against the 3.
Yep.
And then this is going to sit kind of at the bottom, and the smaller one's going to be on the inside.
Okay.
So this is what's going to generate that curve.
I see.
Because the
Oh, right.
arm's
Okay.
going to come
Got
up.
it. Got it.
And then with the next one, I'm going to just have one large one that's going to sit on the outer side.
Okay.
So here.
I quite like the way it makes that curve up naturally.
Yeah, it's just about manipulating it, the balloons, into the shape that you want them to be in.
Yeah.
And I think that the line also helps you do that. So as you can see, it's kind of naturally gone upwards.
Yeah.
And then with the cactus.
Cactus, there's only one of it.
Okay, oh, yeah, that would make sense. They normally kind of go bigger. So I think they go quite small at the base of the arm, and then they get bigger if you actually look at one.
I've never looked that closely.
Well, so I'm going to go on with slightly bigger ones here. So you can either just analyse it, either go like 3.5 or 4, and then I'm just going to go up with the same quads all the way up, which is another 4. I'm sure these, 3.5.
What did the porcupine say to the cactus?
Don't
Hello,
come too
gorgeous.
Hello, what?
Hello, gorgeous.
Oh,
It's prickly. Might want to take that one out. Leave the first one though, that was a good one. Thank you all for your support.
See, everyone's laughing.
Come on, are you done yet?
Right, so actually analysing it, I only need to go a few up because you don't want it to
look too odd.
too high. So this is how you
That's really
make
clever.
one arm, and then I would just then cut off at the top, and then tie this off. So normally you would have 2 arms. So I would then go ahead and do one on the other side.
All right, I think we should do the clicky finger thing. We've done the high five thing.
Oh,
We've got to do a clicky finger thing. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey, and there we are. It's got 2 arms now.
Got 2 arms.
Amazing, isn't it?
It's just such an easy kind of concept, and they obviously work really well.
Well, you were just saying you consider this to be easy, but it's not something that people really think about doing.
No.
So, but it's great if you are going to have a theme party like Wild West.
Yeah.
It's absolutely perfect.
Yeah,
isn't it?
they're brilliant. So I would actually just maybe add a few flowers on and just some details rather than having just a plain one.
Okay.
So like I have just made something really simple here. So it is literally, this one's a bit smaller. So this is 3.5 inches.
Yeah.
And there's 5.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna, because there's 5, you've got like 5 creases. I'm gonna make a flower with 5 petals.
Okay.
So just let a little bit of air out to stop it from popping, and then bend it over, twist, and I literally just put the neck through that crease, and then I'm just going to make 5 petals. Actually just enough. And then I've kind of just slanted them a little bit.
You made that look really easy.
I have a real bad habit of that. That's what everyone says to me. I'll make this look so easy. So just slanted them to the side a little bit, and then that then will just sit onto here. Take the excess and wrap that round. Now it's going to ping, so you need to put like something really small in here. So like this one, I've just literally...
Okay.
Yeah. So like the tiniest bit of air. So you could just make your a 5 or a 6 armed petal and just put them on. You can go red, you can go any colour really, but I just thought pink and yellow are quite nice. And then I just want the little centre. So just making a little bubble and then pop that into the middle.
And this one, you just did the 5 petals like that.
Yeah.
And just put the little thing in the middle.
Yeah.
And then you've got to attach those on there.
Yeah.
Go on then. Go on in.
Remember them? One there, one there.
Oh, do you want this one as well?
So, Yeah.
Or do you want glue things, sticky things? I've got them in my pocket warming up. Which ones do you want? Are you glue dashes or the Oasis?
Yeah, give us the Oasis. That seems to...
Today is going to be the day. They hate it every time we talk about, because we sell a lot of Oasis products. Anytime we talk about Oasis, I always say that. In meetings.
An Oasis joke. Are you a big Oasis fan?
No, not really, but I do love Wonderwall. It's one of my favourite songs. That's
these
why
are
today's
so
going to
tough.
be the day. They're going to throw it back to you. By now, you should have somehow realised what you've got to do.
You are a big Oasis fan.
No, that's all I know.
That's all you know. Let's see what this one means. Should we go here? Up here.
That could be the question of the week. What's your favourite Oasis song?
Oh, yeah, thank you. Thanks. I didn't have a question. I never have a question. It's the one thing you catch me out on every show is, what's the question? I'm like, I'll pop that on there. That should be all right.
Do you want that one as well or not?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, go on.
Let me slant the kettles a bit.
Go on.
Why not? Thank you. Where did we have that? Yeah. There, let's go there.
And there you have it. Ta-da! Ta-da! That's very good.
Thank you very much.
Well, thank you for that, Debs.
You're welcome. Now all you need is a Wild West party.
Well, we just need a Wild West party, yeah. So anyway, as a guest on BMTV, you get to ask the question of the week. What's the question of the week?
What's your favourite Oasis song?
What's your favourite Oasis song? Leave your comments down below on Facebook and on YouTube. Debs, thank you so much for that. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please do and hit the bell icon and you'll be notified every time we upload a new show. Check us out on Instagram. Check us out on TikTok where the fun stuff happens. Stay happy and positive from myself and Debs. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.